I'd like you to give us a little bit of a background as to what this virus, what this infection is about. I know you and I talked about it, and you'd mentioned something really interesting. You mentioned the term immune resilience. And if you could just summarize in a very quick nutshell, what's going on all over the world, and what is the basic biology behind why some people get really sick and others don't?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you who have joined in. I know information is just overflowing, and everybody of you would have researched about the virus and what it does. I will try to quickly summarize the salient features that will be important for us, and also trying to reflect what this COVID-19 is doing to us. Let's look at the virus just quickly. Is the smallest organism. It's so simple that even people have questioned whether it's a living or non-living. It has three components: the DNA RNA code covered by envelope with these spike proteins, which is so popular these days. It has specific preference for a respiratory system, nose to lung. It enters into a cell and interestingly uses our body resources to multiply and then spread to others. It goes from a person to person, from home to home, district, states, countries, and lo and behold, now it's become a pandemic. Remember one fact, that this is a zoonotic disease, and as we look back into the history, most of our epidemics and pandemics have been zoonotic, jumping from one species to others, something to think about. And quickly about the differences, our body has mechanisms to control various diseases, be it infections or be it things like cancer. But few things I would want to bring up over here is our body's immune cells tries to protect us on one side, but on the other end, an excess response to anything that provokes it can potentially also harm us. And something to remember is what really kills us in COVID is the body's excess immune response that really kills us. So what is the most appropriate response, which, as Pankaj mentioned, is immune resilience? It's not that we have low immunity, but it may not be the appropriate response to what is inflicting us, is where we are not able to protect us, or either we succumb to the disease, or we succumb to the disease otherwise because of excess response. And those are some things that I hope today we'll be dealing with different topics, themes, and different panelists. So I will just sum up in that form now.